Thank you, sir. Hare Krishna. So we were studying, which is the, I think everything is in order. Dhimant, am I audible?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Everything is clear. You can see the screen very clearly. You are
Yes,
on a
Prabhuji.
mobile or you are on a computer?
Mobile, Prabhuji.
Okay, take it. Computer will be better because it doesn't matter. Okay. You can see the screen is split into two parts. One side is picture, one side is text. Okay. Okay. You were there when you read the Syamantaka jewel story few days ago?
No, Prabhuji.
I'll just summarize.
I was there for that when Krishna fights Rukmi, Prabhuji.
Okay. He fights Rukmi and that's over. And then finally, he, removes some hairs on the head of Rukmi and Balaram scolds him. And Balaram also instructs Rukmini on transcendent knowledge, being the first guru. That's it. Now, let us go to Shatrajit, is the king in Dwaraka jurisdiction. Okay?
Yes.
Dwaraka, you can take a small kind of. The Vedic system was there only. When Britishers came to small kings. Hai na? So everywhere small king. One in Dwaraka jurisdiction, one king is there named Shatrajit. Okay. Not a very good person. Now you get into some problem. A devotee and friend of sun god and Syamantaka jewel, returning to Dwaraka, and he, because we were very close to sun god, sun god gifted him. You can see sun god here in the picture. He gifted him one Syamantaka jewel. So now when he got the jewel, he started looking like sun god itself. Okay? Above is the picture of sun god. You can see going on his multiple. How many horses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has some, I think, some number of horses. You heard about Bhagavatam 5th canto?
Surya is like Indra or Surya is eternal?
Surya is also Deva. Many times Surya is the incarnation of God. He is highly empowered. Just imagine.
Not like Indra.
He's also another Devata, but looks to be a higher Devata. But still,
it's called a Surya Bhagwan.
Who is online?
I'm.
Murti Mataji?
Yes, Puja Vidya Mataji.
Yes, Puja Vidya. Oh, we have to change the name. We have to remember sometime. Mataji
Yeah.
got Diksha.
Yes. So he's called also known as Bhagwan, Surya Bhagwan.
Surya Bhagwan. Gayatri is done on him.
Yes.
Correct. So is he incarnation of Narayana directly?
Yes. He's an incarnation of Godhead.
See? He got some authoritative statement. Now from Puja. No, and from Puja.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Can you hear me, Prabhu?
Uh, Prabhu, I cannot hear. Mataji, I cannot hear Prabhuji.
Yes, even I can't hear. No, something is wrong with him, with his internet, I
Uh,
think.
yes, I think
Yeah.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore, Mataji.
Oh,
I'm
Bangalore. Even I
staying.
am from
I'm working
Bangalore.
here. I'm
Okay,
from
okay.
Puttur, actually, near Mangalore, but now I'm
Okay,
working here.
okay, okay. I'm near JP Nagar.
Oh, okay. I stay in this Bhavani Nagar
Oh,
near
very far then.
Bannerghatta.
Banerghatta.
Near Bannerghatta,
Near
Mataji.
Banerghatta.
Accenture building is there, Mataji.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
yes. Okay, now
Are
I
you
Hare
can
come?
Krishna, Prabhuji.
Welcome.
Hare
Mataji has
Krishna,
come
Prabhu.
back.
Yes,
ठीक है
yes.
Mataji, welcome back. ठीक है. So sun god is so they say it's not very wonderful. The sun god daily comes to meet you. It's not something. But actually, Shatrajit had not come to meet. He had not come to meet Krishna. He has just come to show his opulence to everybody. You know, when you get a big car, you roam around the whole city. He wants to show to everybody his wealth. That's his intention. Okay, I'll just go till we are read. Okay. And Prabhupada says that actually, even the side mention, even Shankaracharya agrees, Supreme Lord, Narayana Paravyakta, and the Lord has no material form, Lord has only spiritual form. There is a glorification of Krishna. Then let us go. So Krishna says, no, don't worry. Who is making sound? Mataji,
Yes, Prabhu.
I'll mute you. Okay? When you are speaking, no, you unmute yourself. Can you see the screen now? What are you seeing?
Yes, Prabhu. I
No,
can see you on the screen.
Oh, you're seeing me now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that I was sharing something. Okay. Now you are seeing some design on the screen.
yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. Okay. Now I understand. Now you're correct. Okay. So then what happens? Shatrajit was a devotee of sun god. And to the blessing of sun god, he got Syamantaka jewel. You have read the story probably? Syamantaka jewel. And he is looking blazing like sun god. So when he comes to the city, people say sun god has come. It's not special, our Lord is there, Govinda. Take it. And then what happens after this is that Krishna says, don't worry. He's Shatrajit, one king under our dominion. He is not sun god. He is worshipping, and then Prabhupada talks about how he typically behaving like a materialist. He's not interested in Krishna. He's very happy with wealth. That's what happens when we get a lot of wealth. We get just too much lost, totally lost. And that Shamadrika jewel was a very special jewel. It gives you 2 pounds is 1 kilo, roughly. 1 kilo equal to 2 pounds, as far as I know. Weight wise, doctor. Huh? You can't say? Pound and kilo, what is the relation?
Almost 70 kilo
Huh?
gold.
Huh?
Syamantaka gives 70 kilo gold
Yeah, roughly.
Every day.
Yeah, 170 pound, half of that is 85. My calculation, roughly 80, 85. And 1 kilo gold is how much today? 10 grams. You all will know. Mataji buys gold. 10 grams cost how much? At least you see the rate every day. So 10 gram is equal to how much? 40,000. See. Mataji knows the rate. 10 gram is 30,000. So 30 lakh is 1 kilo. 1 kilo is 30 lakhs. And 30 lakh into 80. 30 lakh into 80, Mataji, how much? Accounts? 24? So 24 crores every day. He's getting wealth in his pocket every day. 20. And wherever the jewel is, there is no scarcity, no disease, no heat and cold. This goes on. So then what happens? He doesn't give that jewel to Krishna. In fact, Krishna indicates, give it to Ugrasen. Ugrasen he had made the king of all the dynasty. But Ugrasen doesn't do that. No, sorry, the Shatriji doesn't do that. Rather, he gives to his brother Prashena. Okay, Prashena wears it and his jewel blazing, effulgence, special jewel, and is roaming around. And one tiger kills him. And after the tiger kills him, what happened? Lion kills him. One Jambavan, a rickshaw, it is said, kind of he was participated in Lord Ramayana. So he comes to know something has happened and this one lion has killed one man. So he comes and without using any weapon, kills the lion and takes up the jewel. And he comes to his place, and because he was a devotee of Lord Rama, some good quality, he just gives that jewel to a child to play. He's not interested. You play. And this is the picture. You all can see the picture. Here is he. I think he has taken this from the Ramayana serial, the picture of Jambavan. Okay. So jewel Sansu, the toy ticket, this is over. This much is done. And then next. Krishna saw. Now Shatrajit goes to everybody and tells, Krishna has killed my brother, and taken away the jewel. He starts spreading this rumor. Krishna doesn't like to be defamed like that. It's not good for people. So Krishna decides to clear that. So he takes respected citizens of Dwaraka, and Krishna goes to the search for Shatrajit. And finally in the forest he finds him dead. And he sees that after little distance when the lion is dead, who killed him. And he says the lion was killed without any weapon, just somebody, no marks of injury on the lion. Ooh. Then people say they have seen sometimes, one Jambavan has been sighted. They say it has been sighted. He is not living among public. They say he lives in a cave there. Okay? Then what happens? He saw the lion and he saw Jambavan, the rickshaw. Krishna and the citizens found great tunnel where he was supposed to be there, the Jambavan. Yes, sir. Then, yes, sir. Yes, sir. अच्छा था आप सब लोग नाचा नहीं So Krishna found citizens, Krishna found the great tunnel, and Krishna saw it is very dangerous for others to enter. Everybody was scared because the long tunnel, you can see a picture of a tunnel here, a lion is dead, and Krishna entered. When entered the tunnel, all the residents were waiting outside. Krishna saw the Syamantaka jewel where the child was playing. Jambavan has given to the child. And the moment the nurse saw the Krishna, she could not recognize. She saw somebody has come to take away the jewel. She started crying. And Jambavan came in the mood of anger. You cannot recognize Krishna if you're not in proper consciousness. Correct? Jambavan could not recognize his Lord. Actually, he should have recognized. He's a very great devotee of the Lord. But when you're not in proper consciousness, you cannot recognize the Lord. Very nice statements here. And Jambavan did not recognize his master because of anger. Krodad bhavati samoha smriti vibha. Krishna, Jambavan fought for 28 days, both day and night. Like that, war happened, just like with Kamsa. And what happened? He could not recognize. Fight was going on. And now, so many lessons from that. Now, Jambavan was actually giving pleasure to Krishna because of fighting. Because Krishna, anything is service. In case from a devotee like Jambavan, Krishna did not take any offense, he enjoyed. It says that where we had that Krishna enjoyed fighting with Jambavan and somebody
Bhishma.
with Bhishma, like Bhishma. Krishna enjoyed fighting with Bhishma and Jambavan. Correct? Other demons he just killed. He didn't enjoy. But Jambavan and Bhishma was Krishna was enjoying the fighting. So Jambavan was giving pleasure to Krishna because Krishna sometimes wants to fight. And because he did service to Krishna, within his heart revelation came, my master is standing. You could understand. And also he can understand his own way. Just like Sarva Bhattacharya could understand, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made 63 explanation of Atara over Sarva Bhattacharya understood. He's God only. In your line you can understand. Just like you're a doctor. Now you meet a great eye surgeon, you can understand. We cannot understand who is great, who is ordinary. But a specialist knows what he did is very difficult. Similarly, Jambavan was such a powerful fighter. Nobody can fight with him. And here is a person effortlessly hitting him, and Krishna was not tired. And Jambavan's whole body was broken. Even Kaliya could understand something when Krishna was dancing, correct? So we get a hint of your own way. You got a hint, my Lord is here. And he submitted himself to Krishna. Krishna revealed him. Okay. So Jambavan offered some prayers to Krishna. Kala basically offered that you are the origin of the soul, you are origin of our body, you are origin of everything, you are origin of even Kala. And we to go to the Jambavan prayer. My dear Lord, I can now understand. You want to read, Mataji? You can read the prayer of Jambavan.
Jambavan therefore said to the Lord, My dear Lord, I can now understand who you are. You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, the source of everyone's strength, wealth, reputation, beauty, wisdom, and renunciation.
Take it, this is one part. Then, what is the underline? Yeah.
You are the creator of the creators of the universal affairs.
Yeah. Ordinary.
Quotes end. Jambavan further said, You are not only the creator of the creator, but you are
the creator of the.
You are also the creator of all the material elements which are manipulated by so-called creators. Jambavan continued, My dear Lord, the time factor which combines all the physical elements is also your representative. You are the supreme time factor in which all creation takes place, is maintained, and is finally annihilated. And not only the physical elements and the time factors, but also the persons who manipulate the ingredients and advantages of creation are part and parcel of you. The living entity is not therefore an independent creator. By studying all factors in the right perspective, one can see that you are the supreme controller and lord of everything. My dear Lord, I can therefore understand that you are the same supreme personality of Godhead, whom I worship as Lord Ramachandra. My Lord Ramachandra wanted to construct a bridge over the ocean, and I saw personally how the ocean became agitated simply by my Lord's glancing over it. And when the whole ocean became agitated, the living entities like the whales, alligators, and Timingala fish all became perturbed. The Timingala fish in the ocean can swallow big aquatics like whales in one gulp. In this way, the ocean was forced to give away and allow Ramachandra to cross the island known as Lanka, now supposed to be Ceylon. This construction of a bridge over the ocean from Cape Comorin to Ceylon is still well known to everyone. After the construction of the bridge, a fire was set all over the kingdom of Ravana. During the fighting with Ravana, each and every part of Ravana's limbs was slashed and cut into pieces by your sharp arrows, and his head fell to the face of the earth. Now I can understand that you are none other than my Lord Ramachandra. No one else has such immeasurable strength. No one else could defeat me in this way.
So Lord Krishna became satisfied by the prayer. So you offered the prayers, Krishna is satisfied. That is our hope. Okay? We repeat the prayers of the acharyas, or these prayers are successful prayers. We offer prayers, but nothing happens. Every day we offer prayers. But these devotees offer prayer, they offer with so much genuineness. Krishna is satisfied. Okay? Krishna is satisfied by the prayer, just like you're satisfied by Queen Kunti prayers. Here is also satisfied by Jambavan prayers. See, because Krishna then with his lotus hand touched the body of the Jambavan, and Jambavan felt relief from all the fatigue of this 28 days of fight. Then Krishna addressed Jambavan, that is the he who is the king of the forest, not the lion, because he just killed a lion with a naked hand. It's very, very powerful. Without weapon, Jambavan came. Jambavan understood the whole situation. He told them the whole story. The Shatraji, they spread my bad name. I didn't know anything. Syamantaka jewel was stolen by the brother of Shatraji. What is his name? Brother of Shatraji? Prashena. And then he got killed. What did I do? And simply they put bad name on me. Blah 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 blah. So he has spread a word that I have stolen the jewel and I have killed his brother. So brother has been found dead already, killed by a lion. But still we didn't find the jewel. So Jambavan said, yes, the same jewel, here it is. And Jambavan understood the whole situation, and to satisfy the Lord, and not only immediately delivered the Syamantaka jewel, but also brought his daughter Jambavati. Okay? She became one of the queens of Krishna. In this Syamantaka jewel, already 2 marriages. One is, what is the first marriage? Satyabhama, which is such a close queen of Krishna, and then Jambavati. They're all 8 first queens. After that, 16,100 will come. 16,100 will come. Who was of marriageable age and presented here to Lord Krishna. Although the fighting between Krishna and Jambavan went on. Any questions? Hare Krishna, my voice is not clear. Any questions? Dhimant, is it fine?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Although the fight between Krishna and Jambavan went on 28 days, Dwarka people waited only for 12 days. They thought, everything is done now. 12 days we will survive. Something has happened. I think something similar happened to Bali. Bali also went inside the cave, and Vibhishana, Sugri. So Sugriva and Bali, similar. Bali had gone inside the cave to fight, and Sugriva thought, my brother is dead probably. He put a huge stone there, and he came and he married Bali's wife. The Bali.
I told Sugriva that if you see blood coming out, blood is red, the lemon blood is some other color. The red blood coming out, it means he has killed me. So we will heal the cave. He only instructs the cave.
Okay.
The lemon changes his blood color.
I didn't know. Okay, here is Ramayana expert. Okay. Although the fighting in the Krishna Jambavan, similar here, now to come back 28 to 12 days they waited and they went away. And then the whole kingdom, they were very sad. Vasudeva, Rukmini, they're all in great sorry. And the Krishna has not come. They're in great pain. And then Krishna appeared on the scene with a new wife, Jambavati. All inhabitant Dwaraka became joyful, as if they got their relative back. Then they felt bad, with so much difficulty due to fighting. They had so much hopeless in his return. And so Krishna actually returned not only, but also the new wife Jambavati immediately performed another celebration like there was in case of Satyabhama and Rukmini before. King Ugrasena then called a meeting of all the people and everything was revealed. Shatrajit then understood and he became now ashamed. Okay, now Satyabhama is coming later. Jambavati comes first. Okay. And then Shatrajit was also wanted to get relief from, so what he did? So he thought for some time and he gave both the jewel and his beautiful daughter to Krishna. Krishna returned the jewel because he knew he was still attached to the jewel. Daughter, she is Lakshmi, she has to come join Krishna Leela anyway. Lord Krishna, being pleased with Shatrajit, informed him that he did not any need of the Syamantaka jewel. It better let it remain with the as he kept it. Okay. So because the jewels present city of Dwarka, there will be no more famine. Okay, you keep. Let us all keep it in the temple and worship and let everybody enjoy the benefit. Okay. Now killing of Shatrajit and Shatadhanya. This is the next chapter. Chalo, today I read from this only. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Devan.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Chalo, how are you?
I am good, Prabhuji.
Where are you now?
I'm staying in a PG, Prabhuji, here in